Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gamer tag on your Xbox Series X, and this is really easy to do. So let's go to Settings, and then go to General, and then go to the right, and go to Personalization. Let's go to Profile, and then go to Customize Profile. Now you can see your profile page here where you can change your gamer pic and your theme. We want to actually move with the D-pad, and then select our gamer tag with A. Once we select it, we will have the option to enter in a new gamer tag. It says Xbox has expanded the range of possible gamer tags and languages. Now you can choose just about any name you want. So you can pretty much put anything in, and if it's a name someone already has, it's going to add additional numbers to it. So let's just type some random thing in, then go to the next screen, and this is how my new gamer tag would go ahead and look. And I believe it costs $10 to change your gamer tag unless it's your first time doing it. So just a heads up, there is a fee associated with this, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.